Hey, what's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? This is your boy Joshua Santa here, coming to you live from UK, and welcome to my YouTube channel called Rich Reviews. Welcome to Rich Reviews. First and foremost, I want to introduce you to this amazing intelligent software that will actually explode your business to another level, another dimension, and explode your business to the moon. Trust me, because with this particular software, will actually give you unlimited amount of leads, unlimited amount of traffic, and unlimited amount of sales. Guys, this business can actually make you within 6 to 7 figures within a year, guys. Okay, this software is called Conversiobot. Okay, so without further ado, I want to read this passage as I scroll down the website and just summarize what it does and how it can actually help your business. No matter what business you're into, no matter what website that you have in your business, this right here, this software can actually explode your business to another level. Okay, so what is this software that I'm talking about? Well, this software is called Conversiobot. Okay, it can transform your website into an automated leads and sales bot. Okay, how they automatically so the creators and the owners explain that how they automatically added 189,986 quality leads, okay, and generated 6,386 sales in 6 months with a single line of website AI bot code. Okay, now you don't need any special experience to use this revolutionary AI technology to get leads, sales, and profits starting today, guys. Okay, you can be in profit and make conversions starting from today, guys. We have people that are using the software. Within the first 4 days, they're making thousands of sales, guys. Okay, it's ridiculous. So it actually increases website sales. Simply copy and paste, okay, one line of automated bot code to your website or blog increased our sales by 198%. So even the creators increased their sales by 198%. And they also used beta testers, so people that are not know nothing about internet marketing or affiliate marketing, but they're into brick and mortar businesses, and they've just about created a website for themselves. They got incredible results. They got ridiculous amount of results. So which shows you that anybody can actually make great income with this software. Okay, guys. So scrolling down, let me read on. So it automatically generates massive numbers of quality leads. Use our done for you lead generation bots to automatically build huge lists of leads. Conversiobot automatically built us a massive list of 189,986 quality leads. I repeat again, these are our results and your results may vary. Please read the full disclaimer here, okay, guys? So it works for a huge range of businesses. So whether it's website owners, blog owners, newbies, affiliate marketers, product vendors, e-com sellers, social marketers, video marketers, brick and mortar business owners and consultants, freelancers. So any person from any background that's into business and you've built a website, guys, this software can do wonders for your business. Okay, so scrolling down, full, and you also have full commercial license with pro version. So that means you can sell your chatbots to local businesses, social media marketers, bloggers, consultants, e-com entrepreneurs, product vendors, and brick and mortar businesses owners, offline consultants, and many more, guys. Okay, so scrolling down further, I'll repeat again. So the revolutionary AI has the potential to explode the conversions of almost any website. So affiliate review sites, e-commerce sites, so like Shopify, Amazon, or any e-commerce websites, guys. Okay, list building pages, local business sites, WordPress blogs, sales letters, drop shipping sites, webinar registration pages, consultancy websites, and freelance websites. Almost any website you can think of, guys, it will do what you wonders. Okay, and it also works with different websites, so such as ClickFunnels, Convertry, Catcher, WordPress, Shopify, Magento, PrestaShop, Joomla, Drupal, BigCommerce, Wix, you name it, many websites. And also with the email marketing automations, it works with Aweber, MailChimp, SendLane, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKick, Maropost, and many email lists, So guys, I mean, this is the way to go when it comes to business. It's not like 20 years ago where you start from scratch. Now you can have softwares. Now you can have build AI, intelligent softwares that can actually explode your business to a high level into a rapid, fast pace, guys. Okay. So if you want to get into this, trust me, this is the one to get into right now in the year of 2022. If you want your business to explode at a high rate, at a quick rate, this is it, guys. Okay. The link will be in my description below the video. If you have any questions or concerns or anything of that nature or any queries, feel free to comment on the video below or even DM me, message me on my Instagram. I'm quick with the replies. Message me on my Instagram and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have upon this product, guys. I mean, don't hesitate. This business right here, this software will actually make your life change for the good and for the better. Okay, guys. So, yeah, and once you sign up and you're interested and you purchase the product, I'll also give you a special bonus, a special giveaway. Now, how you would get that special bonus and how you get that special giveaway is that once you purchase the products, you have to send me a message that you've purchased the products. Send me a screenshot of your purchase, okay? Then I will send you the special bonus and the special giveaway, guys, okay? So for you, it's a win-win situation. There's no need to hold back. There's no need to hesitate. Just sign up and definitely you'll never regret. Because even myself, when I looked upon this Conversiobot, I had to do a review on this today, and I said to myself, I need to get into this right now because I have my own business as well, and I need my website to have many eyeballs. I need to have my website to have many views and many sales. Do you know what I mean? So I think in life it's all about taking that leap of faith, taking that first step, taking that big action take. That's what you need to have. And this right here, it will definitely make it is definitely a game changer, guys. So just sign up and yeah, I'll definitely give you that special bonus, that special giveaway. Just send me the um your message or the screenshot and I'll give you that special bonus, guys. So guys, sign up and yeah, man, I look forward to seeing you from on the other side, guys. Have a great day. Nice one. Take care. Bye for now. Bye.